Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Walkstarts, and I'm back with another wicked cool, hopefully exciting, very engaging, behind the scenes video. And today, we're going to do a retour of a video I did quite a while ago, including Stream Elements merch and some cool new changes that they've made to their website, and what you can do to maybe make something a little bit better for your subscribers. Now, it's a gross rainy day here, so I figured this would be a great time to sit down and have a conversation about this sort of thing. And if you're new here, my name is Walkstars. Hi. I stream every single Tuesday over on Twitch. The link is in the description on Tuesdays at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So hopefully I'll come over and see you there. And, you know, since the algorithm is a fickle mistress, I'm going to ask you to like and share and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you use Stream Elements or if you have any other experience with their merch. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So, obviously, you're going to be here on the Stream Elements page, here on their merch page. As you can see, I've put together quite a bit of merch already. I've already got the Daily Grind mug here with my coffee, with honey in it, and it's delicious. They're honestly, it's great quality merch. I use the desk mat every day, which is this guy right here. I bought this sweater here in the blue. It's a really nice sweater, actually. So we're going to go into creating a brand new item, just so we can use this as an example, and we're going to use the design I just threw together last night. So let's go with just throw together a t-shirt. And now this is what they've changed. It used to be that you could only throw an image up on it, resize it, and that was pretty much it. But now you're able to add different layers to your merch. So check this out. I go to uploads. I pull out the design that I just whipped up last night, which will be this guy. Wait, give it a minute. And now it's here on the shirt very instantly. I'm really happy with this design myself. Depending on the size of the image you make, it'll depend on the printing quality. So the bigger the image, the better quality the printing will be. Hi there, Editing Walkstars here. When I say image size, what I mean is official actual file size and not the stretched image on the piece of merch. So you can just center it however you want it to be. Let's put it right there. And then now, if I want to, check this out. I can add another shape, say an arrow, and we can move it around as well. Can we move it around? You can change the color of it. You can change positioning of it, and I would imagine you can also rotate it. Flip vertical, flip horizontal, and you can rotate the images as well. But we're not going to do that because I am not interested in having an arrow on here right now. But as you can see, you can add different layers to your images and make them maybe a little bit more dynamic and put a little bit more into them. And you can change the colors that you want it to be. I don't want it to be brown. I'd like that one to be available as well, please. And yeah, those are the colors that I want it to be available. And then we'll just throw in a creator note. A trip to the stars. And we're going to go ahead and save that design. I'm going to call this the Star Zone Starman t-shirt. T-shirt. Save and publish. Sweet. Last time I did this video, it took a long time for the merch to actually get made and appear on the store. Hopefully that's not going to be the case, but if it is, I have something else that we can chat about. So now, it's just creating my item, which is fantastic. It's just going to do that as it goes. So, the next thing I wanted to show you is, check this out. I can go down to settings, and now I can set up subscriber pricing if people are subscribed to you on Twitch, they can actually get a discount on your merch, which I thought was pretty cool. And frankly, I'm surprised it's taken so long. I've got it set up so that Tier 1 gets a 15%, Tier 2 gets a 30%, and Tier 3 gets a 45% discount on all of my merch. Now you can set that up however you'd like. Say for example, Tier 2 could get a 50%, and Tier 3 can get a 75%. But just keep in mind that it's going to bite into your profits a little bit if you start adding discounts to your merch. So the discount comes out of your pocket and not necessarily theirs. Come on, 45, there we go. Let's hop back to here, and there you have it. The item is created. And you can see the different colors that I've created this t-shirt in. And I don't know about you, but as you can see, all of my designs that I've made are available on all items. So thank you again for checking out this video. My name is Walkstars, and today we talked all about the different changes that Stream Elements has made to their merch stores. Don't forget that I stream every single Tuesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I hope to see you there. Thanks again, stay cozy, drink some water, and have yourself a great day.